not here yet. This group will be here. We'll go play it up.
How you doing, brother?
Good. Good.
You guys say good morning, Jared.
Morning,
Hi.
We're ready to rumble, though.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's great to see you guys. Thank you for waiting so patiently.
Group's here.
It's time, busy.
Time. Hit the canyon.
Yeah, super stoked to have your group back out here again. You guys were awesome the first time. Canyoneering is a team sport. It's so much more fun when we work together and work on this. And that's one of the things I really like about canyoneering is because it's a team sport and we get to work together. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
We are about hitting the rim of the canyon now. After about an hour's worth of hiking, we're getting there. I think they're all still in good spirits, right?
Yeah!
Having fun?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it.
Yeah! Let's do it! Here it comes, baby! Yeah!
Left hand. Yep. Put your right hand in your butt. There you go.
You can put your foot across if that's okay. Or just straight down.
Don't squish my sandwich. What do you think, Jay?
Loving it.
Like a heart.
That's where you're gonna put your feet out. Easily done. What do you think, Jess?
It's not too far.
Having fun?
Say what's up?
What do you think, Janae? We having fun?
Yes.
Rocking it?
Yep.
Doing some work.
Come here, Jeff. No, I just said, would you use my camera?
He's tall enough. You got it. Just keep using a little bit of pressure on each side. A little bit of pressure. And just move yourself down. Perfect.
Like Jenny West really liked the guy. I can't remember when she came off the top of my head. She really liked him.
Okay.
So they have to climb sandstone.
That sucked for the video. Oh, no, that isn't gonna be epic on this video. It's so much more comfortable too.
You're gonna come down to the slippery part where I just slid.
Yeah, I saw that.
Right there. So lean back. Good.
I repelled like 3 by myself.
You got it.
If you risk nothing, you gain nothing.
Never give up.
If you start sliding, just keep putting pressure and you're gonna slow yourself down.
You got this. Good job.
Nice. Nice. See, look at that.
Good job, Woo!
Don't break an ankle.
I landed it. I didn't get wet.
Yay, Abby.
It's okay, little man.
Wow.
Oh, wait, what's wrong with your camera?
That was so fun.
That was a good time. That's as good as it gets.
I can get a full one there.
Woo!
Oh yeah! Crazy canyon. Crazy day.
Awesome. I love that canyon. Good group. Thanks, Jay. You guys are always awesome. Absolutely fantastic. Always a good, respectful group.
Definitely.
Oh, but the canyon, man.
Oh, the canyon was epic.
The only problem with cameras is you never really capture what a canyon really is.
Oh no. Epic canyon.
Weather, just cool weather was nice. So
70 degrees now. I doubt it got over 65 in the canyon.
awesome time of year.
Good day.
So, all right, now we got a drive home. Over and out.
Over and out.
Over and out.
We talked about scraping poop.
I
we
wasn't
still
gonna go that
taping?
Wow, Dad.